Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, everyone. I'm Aimad, and in today's video, we will be replacing my screen time for some Quran time. So basically, this is how much hours my screen time is, which is 4 hours. I know, it's horrendous, it's crazy. The phones these days are just a distraction and they're addicting. They're addicting, endless scrolling, and all this bad habits. It's really bad for us. That's why I created this challenge so that we can benefit by reading the Quran and try to match how much time we keep scrolling. And you guys can compete in this challenge too by reading the Quran for how much hours your screen time is. So basically, I'll be doing this challenge in different ways. So as I said in the beginning of this video, I'll be reading the Quran, right? I'll also be listening to my favorite sheikh. Also, you guys can do this at home by listening to your favorite shuyukh. And I will also be reading the Quran on my favorite online Quran app, which is Tarteel. I highly recommend for you guys to download it and use it for your guys' challenge. And finally, I'll be reading the tafsir of the Holy Quran, the translation. And basically, that's it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I just found a nice place over here. It's a nice quiet place where I will be reading the Quran, inshaAllah. So first things first, we have to establish a time system so we can keep track of how much we have been reading the Quran. So here I have is a little stopwatch timer that I will be tracking my time, as you guys can see on the screen. And this is where I'll be tracking my time for how much Quran I have been reading. Also, I have this part of the screen, the time, how much left. So yeah, and this will be a time lapse of me reading the Quran. Okay guys, so let's get started. Bismillah. So here's the timer, and we're gonna start in 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so it's currently timing us, and let's get started. No time to waste. Bismillah. Okay guys, so first of all, inshallah, I have to change and we'll go read some more Quran outside. So yeah. Okay guys, I know it's a little bit windy, but hopefully you guys still can hear me. We're here outside and I changed, and inshallah we'll be reading some Quran here next to the beautiful nature. And yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're gonna just read some Quran and we're gonna set the timer to start in 1, 2, 3, and go. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is listening to the Quran, and after that we will read a little bit of the tafsir of the Quran translation. Okay guys, so I just grabbed my computer and now I'm going to be putting some Quran from my favorite reciter, which is Mashari Rashid al-Abbasi, very famous audit, and we're going to be listening to him. Okay guys, so I got it working. So that's Ramadan, you guys can barely see bright outside. But yeah, we're gonna start listening to Surah Al-Imran. Let's get our timer ready. And 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay guys, so alhamdulillah we just finished the video, so we have another 1 hour left to go, and I'm going to probably go inside and read the translation of the Quran and use my favorite app Tarteel so I can revise some surahs that I am memorizing currently. Okay guys, so I just came inside from being outside, and we are going to be reading some Quran on Tarteel, the tafsir of the Quran. So yeah, so a lot of people ask me how to get on the tafsir side and how to have like the definitions of the Quran. So it's probably default, it gives you this setting just like the Mus'haf setting, but if you want to change from this one, you have to click the little settings icon and then scroll down until you see adaptive mode. So next to Mus'haf, there's this one called adaptive. So if you click that, it's gonna give you options of the font size and the translation, like which person do you want to follow their specific narration of that. So yeah, we're gonna look at some of the translations of Surah Al-Baqarah because it's very powerful and holds a lot of meaning. Okay guys, so we're just gonna start reading the translation of the Quran on Tarteel in 1, 2, and 3. Okay, Bismillah. So I really wanted to show you guys this ayah that I read in Surah Al-Baqarah, the translation. It's the 64 ayah, I'm pretty sure. So here it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. If you guys cannot, I'll just have it on the screen. So let me read it. So it says, "Yet you turned away afterwards. Had it not been for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's grace and mercy upon you, you would have certainly been of the losers." Okay guys, so I just finished reading the tafsir with my favorite app Tarteel. So currently we just finished, alhamdulillah, our screen time, which was 4 hours, of converting that to Quran time. So alhamdulillah, that's very good. This challenge taught me a lot of stuff, and I really advise my viewers to partake in this challenge because it's really beneficial for us, and just engaging in reading the Quran, there's so much benefits just in that alone. To cut it short, the phone could be used for something good and something bad, but you are the one who decides that, not me. So when you're done with this video, go to your settings on your phone and look at your screen time and try to match the Quran time with that, inshaAllah, and inshaAllah you will succeed. This video was really fun to make and create for you guys, alhamdulillah. If you guys really like this, like challenges and stuff like this that I'm posting, comment down below so I can know. And if you guys have any other questions or ideas, comment down below and I'll try to answer all of them, inshaAllah. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to try your best and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will do the rest. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Assalamu alaikum.